Just had a transplant? Learn the right way to massage your scalp. Benefits of scalp massage: improve blood circulation to the scalp, support hair growth and follicle health, reduce tension and stress, help with lymphatic drainage, promote relaxation and recovery. How to perform a scalp massage, step by step? Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. Step 2. Use light, circular motions with your fingertips. Step 3. Start from the sides and back, then move to the top. Step 4. Avoid putting pressure directly on transplanted areas in the first few weeks. Step 5. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes daily. When can I massage my scalp after hair transplant? Days 0 to 10. Avoid touching or massaging the scalp. Let grafts settle. Days 10 to 14. Begin gentle circular massage with your fingertips. After day 14, you can gradually increase pressure as advised by your surgeon. Scalp massage can be a powerful tool in your recovery journey. Just remember, timing and technique are everything.